Wagi ang Pilipinas sa 2024 Paris Olympic. Four medals. Two of them were gold and two of them were bronze medals. Pero lahat sila, they put in time, effort in order to win. Just because of that, malaking palakpak, maingay na palakpak ang bigay natin sa kanila. And bago po ang lahat, maraming salamat po to all my new subscribers. Unfortunately, we gotta do more. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Ang sabi nga dito sa Amerika, only the best wins gold. Pero sana naman po ay huwag panghinaan ng loob ang iba nating atleta. Just keep trying to do the best that you can. Mahabang panahon, dedication ang binigay ni Carlos Yulo para makuha niya ang ginto. It's not going to happen overnight. Even Hedelin Diaz had to do the Olympics 4 times before she got gold. Balik tanaw kay David Nepomuceno, ang kauna-unahang Filipino sa Olympic Games in 1924, also in Paris, 100 years ago. Salamat, David! Ang lahat ng ito ay hindi posible kung wala ang President Bongbong Marcos, si Mr. Tolentino na presidente ng Philippine Olympic Committee, and si Cynthia Carrion, siya ang president ng Philippine Gymnastic Association. She has been supporting Carlos Yulo for almost 2 years. At nagsara ang Paris 2024 Olympics with Tom Cruise to get ready for 1928 Los Angeles Olympic. Hope to see you guys over there. Huwag pong kalimutan to subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to leave a comment, I would appreciate that very much. There are more sports content to come.